Hello, I'm Mary Kate Lowndes. I work with the Commission on Children, and I am also the co-chair of the statewide Child Emergency Preparedness Committee. Today I was in Waterbury, Connecticut for the first in our state convening of the local emergency management team with local child care providers. The issue that they were addressing is one that is so important to children throughout our state. It is to make sure that when local emergency management teams are planning for disaster preparedness and response, that they are incorporating the local child care providers. As well, that local child care providers have a linkage with the emergency management folks in their town. The fire department, the police department, the public schools, if they are linked in some way to the public schools. And in 2011, Save the Children came out with a report that said that the state of Connecticut was doing very well when it came to our public school system, K-12, in planning for disasters, both in preparedness and response, but not so well when it came to our child care providers. So we started working very hard on that issue. United Way 211 Child Care, Connecticut charts a course, which is now part of the Office of Early Childhood, and of course the Department of Emergency Management and Homeland Security here in Connecticut, along with the Commission on Children and Department of Public Health and others, to think about how we could close this gap in awareness and safety really for our young children. So we are hopeful that this sort of discussion and training will be replicated throughout our state. We were so excited by what happened today in Waterbury. We wanted to encourage all early care providers in our state to contact United Way 211 Child Care to let them know about your program, to ensure that they have your information in their records. The reason being that they broadcast all sorts of information about opportunities for child care providers, about anything going on in our state, good things as well as perhaps pending disasters. It's not to check up on child care, to monitor you, but rather to be able to communicate with you and get information to you. And as well, we really wanted to encourage all local emergency management directors to have this sort of training and to reach out to your providers to make sure you know where they are and to incorporate them into your robocalls in your community and into your community disaster plans. Adam Rinko in Waterbury is the contact who put this all together, and so I believe his number shows at the screen here. As well, Sherry Sutera at United Way Child Care 211 is a great resource to contact. In terms of next steps, we hope to be able to replicate this training around the state and bring this particular model to the attention of legislators around the state, hoping that perhaps some more resources will be dedicated to this in the 2015 legislative session, and that others will choose to do this to improve the communication between child care providers and emergency management planners in their localities so that we're all better prepared to respond in the event of a disaster. Thank you.